Hello and welcome to this tutorial, Complete Oracle ADF course.
This is the complete guide to get started with Oracle Application Development Framework. What you should know. You should have working knowledge of Java, web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You should have Windows or Mac system with at least 8 GB of RAM. Who should take this course? If you are a Java developer who is willing to start a career with Oracle ADF, you should definitely take this course. Now what you will learn? You will have understanding of Oracle ADF, understanding of ADF phases, JSFF, task flows, views, model, application modules, and different components of Oracle ADF. You will also learn how to install and configure Oracle JDeveloper and how to set up your development environment. You will be knowing JDeveloper and WebLogic Server, developing Oracle ADF Fusion web application, how to deploy your first ADF application to WebLogic Server environment, or how to troubleshoot any issue on WebLogic Server. Let's get started with chapter 1, Introduction. What is Oracle ADF Development Framework? So this is the Oracle Application Development Framework, usually called as Oracle ADF, that provides a Java framework for building enterprise level of applications. It provides visual and declarative approaches to Java EE development, and it supports rapid application development based on ready-to-use design patterns, metadata-driven and visual tools. This framework actually Oracle builds using JSF technology, different Oracle technology stacks where you can integrate Oracle ADF. So these are the different technologies and different products of by Oracle where you can use Oracle ADF. So Oracle SOA is the web service development suite to build REST and SOAP based services. You can integrate those services within your Oracle ADF application. Oracle Web Center Portal is another product from Oracle where you can integrate your ADF task flows into Web Center Portal pages. Oracle Database, you can communicate with Oracle Database within your ADF application. Oracle Universal Content Management Server, it's a UCM product from Oracle. You can retrieve data from these content servers using RIDC API. Oracle Utilities applications are self-service portals where you can use Oracle ADF to customize their OUCSS applications. Those are the Oracle Utilities Customer Care and Self-Service product. Oracle e-Business Suite, it's also referred as EBS. So this EBS application you can customize using Oracle ADF framework. This product is actually built on old OF framework. Oracle IDM is Identity Manager. It's a product from Oracle where customization required. You can use Oracle ADF framework to customize that product.